How to speed up internet connection on PC. So the very first thing to do here is to simply go and open your laptop and make sure that you are using the updated version of your PC or your Windows. So here you have to go to the search menu and then you have to look for run, or you can type RUN and it will pop up. What you want to do next is to simply tap open. And then once you open run, all you have to do is to type ncpa dot cpl and then tap OK. It will take you directly to this folder. And what you want to do next is to look for that internet connection. Let's just say if you're using Wi-Fi, you have to click Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, then you have to click Ethernet. You have to click the internet connection that you're using. Okay, right click, scroll down and look for properties. Okay, and then what you want to do is to open properties. And then this time you have to look for Internet Protocol version. Tap this one and then click properties again. After that, you have to scroll down and go directly to obtain a DNS server address automatically. And you have to just follow what I have typed here. For preferred DNS server, you have to type 111. And for alternate DNS server, you have to type 1001. And then after that, all you have to do is just simply click apply and then click OK. So you have to follow this one here. Okay, click OK. And then after that, you have, or you can close this one. Now you have to go back to Ethernet again, or the Wi-Fi or the connection that you're using. So let me tap Ethernet since this one is what I'm using at the very moment. Right click and then go to properties. But this time you have to look for configure. Okay, scroll down, go to properties, click configure. And then what you want to do next is to go directly to advanced. And here you will see property and value. Now, if you see a fat channel here under property, I don't have that, but if you have that kind of channel, all you have to do is to tap fat channel and then tap disable. That is one of the reasons why you encounter slow speed or slow internet speed on your PC. Now you have to remember that there are so many channels available on a Wi-Fi router for sending and receiving internet data. Try restarting your router to adjust the Wi-Fi channel if your internet isn't working well. If other Wi-Fi routers in your neighborhood are competing with one another for Wi-Fi channels, which could be the cause of a slower internet connection, this can be very helpful. When a Wi-Fi router starts, it automatically chooses a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. After you disable that, you can go back and try and see if this method works. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.